In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add extensions in Google Slides. So if you want extra power to control your slides or to edit your slides, then you might want to go ahead and add extensions in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. To do that, head over to this option called extensions and then click on add-ons. From here, click on get add-ons, and this will take you to this library where you can find any extension and install it. Once you have identified the extension you want, just click on install and it will be installed instantly. So that's how you can find and add extensions in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.